knowledge of soul, this one concept, actually this truth about ocean is like a, truth about the soul is like an ocean. All your engram, all your suffering, all your conflicts, everything is like a small salt doll. It can just disappear in this ocean. Blessed are those who knows the technique of dissolving all components of them into the ocean of the knowledge. See, you have many components. Some are your ambition. You are, I can say all these put together only is you. Your ambitions. What do you want to become? What do you want to do? Immediate ambition, long-term ambition. Then, your capacity. Please understand, your capacity is unlimited. What you believe as your capacity. If you just prepare your body, whole world is your house. You can live anywhere you want. It is just little bit of preparation. If you can handle the basic heat and cold, that's it. Whole world is your house now. People say, I left my house, the young age itself. I tell you, no. I left my house to make the whole world as my house. Now, please understand, because I left my house in the young age and started traveling, somehow body and mind got accustomed. Anywhere, if I stretch my leg, I fall asleep. If I stretch my hand, whatever falls in my hand, I can eat. Now the whole world has become my house, my home. Expanding the capacity to live. That is what I did. Expanding my ability to live. Tapas. Your capacity, that is also part of you. What you believe as your capacity is part of you. And what you believe as threats to you, your insecurities. I tell you, you don't have any insecurity, you don't have any threat. But whatever you believe as your threat, that is also part of you. All these put together is you. Please understand, human biomemory of human being can experience only two signals. One is love, another one is fear. That's all. All other signals are converted to this love and fear, unexperienced by you. Human biomemory is not capable of experiencing jealousy. It is not capable of experiencing ego. It is not capable of experiencing worry. If you decode, if you go down, worry, jealousy, ego, all this will get decoded, will get converted. Finally, it will boil down to the binary of love, fear, love, fear, love, fear. That's all. Any program you may write, everything finally boils down to the binary 010101. Same way, any emotion you can create, finally everything boils down to fear, greed, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love. Love, fear, love, fear, love, fear, love, fear. Everything boils down to fear and love. You do not know any other experience existentially. All other experiences, all other emotions are psychological. But this love and fear is physiological. Your limited love, unlimited fear, all these are components of you. Blessed are those who can dissolve these components into the ocean of knowledge. Sit and list all your components and tick one by one what all you can dissolve with this knowledge of soul, the science of soul. For example, if you write 50 components of you, if you can dissolve even 10 or 20, you can easily call yourself as a seeker. If you can dissolve more than 60%, around 30, I will call you. I will surely give you the title, you are living enlightenment. If you can dissolve above 40, even if there is 10 remaining, I will really call you as radiating enlightenment, because those 10 will not have power over you. Understand? When you cross the level of 40 components of you dissolving in the knowledge, what will be the remaining 10? Some temporary ambitions, or the foolish vision, or the mood swing. Only these few will be left undissolved in the ocean of knowledge. I can tell you, those few things undissolved, if it is only 10% or 20%, you don't even have to struggle to dissolve that. Just neglect it. Carry on with your life with the confidence. I have dissolved more than 80%, get out. Simply by your confidence, the other 20% will run away, dissolve. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.